You're moving! Congratulations! I know you might be looking at that to-do list and getting a little bit overwhelmed, so today I'm going to give you the ideal packing and moving timeline for your upcoming move. 3 months out, this is when you want to start collecting packing materials, start purging items you don't need, you want to be setting your moving budget, and you want to decide on what kind of move you want. Do you want a DIY, hybrid, full service? Decide on what you're looking for. 6 weeks out, if you're doing a full service move, this is actually the best time to go ahead and book those movers because it gives you the best prices and the best flexibility. You can compare local movers at HireAHelper.com, and you also want to be looking into your rental truck options. So the big ones to note are U-Haul, Penske, and Budget. 4 weeks out, this is when you want to start contacting the organizations and companies that might need to know about your move. You want to start collecting boxes, and you want to start thinking about what furniture you'll need in your new place. 3 weeks before you move, this is important. Start packing. Do not wait until a week before your move. You're gonna create more stress for yourself. Just do one box at a time. You can do this. Also, if you're renting a truck, you wanna figure out which truck you're going for and also what size of truck you'll need. 1 week before your move, this is when you wanna be cleaning your old place, and ideally, if you can, get into your new place and clean it before any of your stuff gets moved in. Moving day, congratulations. If you ended up hiring a moving company, just sit back, be direct and clear about what you want, but do not try to do any heavy lifting. Good luck with your move, and follow HireAHelper for more moving tips.